Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I will be discussing the criminal procedure with you guys. It will be a very short, brief discussion because the criminal procedure law is always based on the merits of the case before court. So depending on the schedule of the offense that you have committed, for example, if you have committed a Schedule 1 offense, these are your small offenses like theft and so on. However, this means that you are a first-time offender. If you have a Schedule 5 offense, these are your Schedule 1 offenses. However, you have done it on a more than once, so it means you're not a first-time offender. If you have committed a Schedule 6 offense, these are your more serious offenses like robbery with aggravating circumstances, rape, murder. So today I'll just be taking you guys through the bail application if it's unopposed by the state. So obviously the requirements and the procedure here is that the fixed address of the accused must be provided and it must be verified by the investigating officer. This process does usually take long since most people always give the police officers the wrong address. I would not recommend this personally because this will be one of the reasons why your bail does get denied in court. So the amounts of the bail requested can be disclosed in your bail application. You also need to prove that you are not a flight risk. The courts must also be addressed on the issue of handing your passport in if you are a traveler or if you are a foreigner. The family responsibility and ties to the community must be addressed by the court. This is just to elaborate on the fact that you are not a flight risk. And if you have any previous convictions, so if it is a Schedule 5 offense, like I said, these are your previous convictions, you need to disclose it to court, otherwise you will be liable to a fine and imprisonment. The accused would not have contact with the witness and the complainant, so you need to make it a fact or known to the courts that you will not victimize the complainant or the person or the community. You also need to prove to the courts that the community is not at risk if you are out on bail. So the process that is basically the process that needs to be followed. So like I said, I can't really go in depth afterwards. I know after a bail application, if you do come out, so if you don't come out, then on trial you can always first mediate, with the family to say, if let's say you have stolen money, you can compensate them, not as a bribe, but just to say it's called mediation between you and the complainant family or so on. So the bail application or any criminal procedure is always based on the merits before the court. So thank you for joining in for this short clip. I hope this really shed some light on the bail application procedure. It could be quite a long procedure. It could sometimes take up to 3 to 4 months depending on your legal team at hand or the issues involved. Like if you have not given a proper address, obviously it will take a bit longer to verify your address. Also, sometimes being able to come up with the bail fees is also difficult, and then also the attorney fees also can get a lot. If you do not have good attorneys, also it will be a long process and an excruciating one for the family especially. So thank you so much for joining into this video. I hope you guys enjoyed listening to it. Please like and subscribe, and also click on the bell button to get more notifications, and stay tuned to the next video. Goodbye.